Hello, my friends. It's the Crypto Lunatic, and today I'm going to talk about neural AI, but I'm also going to show you how to find hidden gems. How to find hidden gems, and I'm going to show you basic level research. Basic level research. I'm not invested in neural AI, so this is completely neutral. I'm going to show you how I found it, and I'm going to show you how I looked into it. So if that's for you, if you want to know where do you find all of these great coins, then this is where to start. I am going to show you. So follow me on a little crypto journey of discovery. So it all started with ChatGPT. I've been exploring, does this know anything about crypto? Can ChatGPT help me? Now, the first thing you need to do with ChatGPT is work out your risk profile. Now, because I only throw tiny amounts into little coins, I try and find really high risk ones. So I asked the question, please list five most promising cryptocurrencies with market caps under 100 million. Analyze using the strength of the team, user base, revenue, and tokenomics. So that's the prompt I put in. Now, I put that in yesterday and it gave me five answers. Today, it gave me another five answers, and only three of them aligned with what it told me yesterday. So, first things first, take ChatGPT with a massive pinch of salt. Massive pinch of salt. But this one here, Neural AI, has come up both days running. So here we see it's got a market cap of 28.39 million, which is small. It's tiny, tiny market cap. It's not the complete degen zone, which I would say is under 20 million, and some would say would be under 10. But it was developed on BitTensor, which is the AI network, and it leverages generative AI to convert text to 3D models. So this is what I mean, whether that means anything to you or not, we're not going to dive too much into what it actually does today. But the user base, it targets industries requiring 3D modeling, such as gaming or virtual reality. So these are providing infrastructure for gaming and virtual reality projects. And it has potential for monetization through AI-driven services. Now we know that AI is the narrative. So, and tokenomics, the fully diluted value matches the market cap, indicating a balanced supply. So let's look into it. So the first place we go is coin market cap. We see it's at $3.45. We look at the curve. We go to all and we look at this. So this has been around since 2024. Since 2024, it's been around. It's been around, folks, right back here. So that's back in April 2024, and it was released here. The first price it came out was round about the dollar mark. Now we know why AI narrative is going to be big at some stage, and we can see that it's slowly got bigger, and it got to here to what is that? What's the peak? $16.56. And that was in the middle of last year. So since then, that wasn't the middle of last year. See, the American reversal of dates has confused me. So it's the 9th to the 12th. So this was round about December. It peaked, it went up, and now it's slowly gone down. It's retraced. It's retraced a lot. So because this has all happened within this cycle, it shows it's got potential. It's got a very small market cap, and it's got 19,000 holders, which means there's a few people using it. So let's get curious. Let's go to the website, and you can try it for free. And what it does is it creates little characters like this that people can use in their virtual reality programs or in their games. So that's what it does. So now we're going to go to Etherscan. We're going to find out how many people have got it. We see 19,000 holders, and we go to the amount, the holders here. Now, what we see here is that one wallet is sitting on 24% of the supply. Now, I don't really like this. This is not a good thing. That one wallet has over almost a quarter of the tokens. But we see it's only one wallet with that otherwise it seems reasonably distributed. So this is probably one of the founders or the teams. I would need to look into it. I'm not going to look into it for this video because I'm not invested in, but that's a rabbit hole you can go down. Who owns this wallet? That's the first question you should be asking yourself. Whose is it? So we go to their social media following. Twitter is the place to look. We see they've got 20,000 followers. Now, it's not a huge amount, but it's not too shabby either. But what we're really looking at is how active is the account and how responsive are people to it. We see the pinned post is for the 21st of March and it's the 2nd of May at the moment. So I record this video. And we see they've had a post 18 hours ago. So it's active. They're active at the moment and getting 90 people interacting with it. So for a small project, that's not bad. Look, another post 19 hours ago, 20 hours ago. Someone's very active on this account. Very active on the account. So that's good. That's a good sign. So now we go to DAP Radar and we look up Neural AI and we look down here. So we can see that just tells us the curve as well. It tells us the curve. Now we see the token supply is 10 million. Fully diluted market cap is 28 million. Circulating market cap is 28 million. So this is telling us that the tokenomics is pretty good. Let's actually go back and look at that. So, but there's no maximum supply. So the circulating supply and the total supply are the same. That's good. There's no particular maximum supply, which means there could be more tokens coming on the market. But what tokens are available at the moment are actually out, and this is a good thing. And DAP Radar has highlighted this for us, so that's a good thing. So now we're going to go to Crypto Rank. And I'm going to look up, and people that follow me will know. I usually look at what did the fundraisers get in, but that information is not here on Crypto Rank. So we don't actually know. We do know that when it started trading, it was round about the dollar mark. So the early stage investors probably got in earlier than that, but it hasn't really majorly performed, even though it did pump up nicely at the end of December. Now we go to DeFi Llama. And what we're looking for here is liquidity, which is 1.7 million, which is okay. It's nothing too special for a low cap coin. And total value locked is what we're looking into. Now we see total value locked. Here we go, token volume. There's no total value locked on this project. So that's not a good thing. And the volume, well, there's a little bit of volume, but there's not much happening at the moment. But this is a good thing, folks, because we don't want to get in when it's like this, when everyone's pumping it. With projects like this, you're betting on whether at some stage during the cycle, someone's going to throw a load of money at it. In which case, the price could massively pump. And that's when we're back to here. That's when this sort of stuff happens. When one day you're sitting on it and it's $3.78, which is just about roundabout where it is now. And then one day a load of volume goes in. You can see here, look, the volume. Load of volume goes in. And what date's this? So you're looking there. So there you go. Let's have a look here. So this is the beginning of November. You're sitting there and it's the 4th of November. And you're sitting on this token that's not really done much since you bought it. And it's $3.65. And yet, by the time you get to here, which is less than a month later, or around about a month later, you're sitting on $16.56. And this is why people go into degen coins, because the odds are that it will do this again at some stage during the market, if you believe that we haven't finished with the bull cycle. So everything depends on that. You either believe that the bull cycle's over, in which case stay away from it, or you believe there's another pump coming, in which case you're expecting something, at least this, possibly more. So this is where the risk reward comes in. Do you believe? Do you believe? So do we believe ChatGPT? Is Neural AI a little hidden gem? Well, As with anything that I tell you, this isn't investment advice. This is just a guide on how to find these coins. Because if you're looking on YouTube and looking for the big influencers to tell you, you'll only hear about these when they're massively pumped, and you'll be chasing a pump. You'll be going in and you've probably missed out. You've probably missed the big gains. Is Neural AI, is it a good project? Well, the jury is out. I'm neither recommending it or not. But I would say that on the balance of probability, this represents an acceptable risk reward ratio. But I'm not invested in it. So I've no skin in this game. I'm just here to show you how to do the beginning of doing your own research. And that's what this is about. And if you'd like more of my little updates, then please do subscribe to the channel. And if you want another one of my little rambles, there you will find it just there.